Hi, this is Dave Aquino with Microquant, and this is the free video for Monday, November 10th, 2014, in the Stocks and Options Live Trading Room. So I just want to touch base with a stock that recently went public towards the mid to the end part of September, and this is Alibaba. Was probably one of the biggest IPOs out there ever, and you can see on the opening day was $9.19, and the high was $99.70. I know I was actually trading this, watching it, didn't have options, messed around with some stock and anything, and we wanted to see if it was going to break 100. I remember that we were 30 cents short, and then that pullback occurred. I actually made money on the pullback. That's what I was watching. I wanted to see it touch 100 and then pull back. Didn't get there, but ever since, we pulled back to this swing low. This low was $86.62. And then we touched it again here, $85.61. And then we had this nice sharp pullback, probably around the time we had that pullback in the markets, going back about 3-4 weeks ago. That low was $82.81. From that point on, we moved higher. We consolidated from 82.81 all the way back up to the 99, just below the 100 level. We spent 4 days there, and then we broke higher. Now look, significantly overvalued past 5 days in a row, pushing higher, pulled away from the 8 EMA. Is this gonna keep going forever, or is it gonna pull back eventually? Just like anything, it will pull back eventually. But the thing is, it's going to do it quite rapidly. When it does, probably going to be like this day on the November 4th, when it was a very tall bar. It's probably going to be the same sort of pullback bar to the downside. What I would do if you want to play a pullback trade for Alibaba, I would actually look for a move below the previous day's low, because you can see each of these successive days there's a higher low, a higher low, a higher low, a higher low. The day we actually make a move below the previous day's low may be the start of a pullback. Now, I wouldn't be aggressive with this. I would actually think we could pull back just to the 8 EMA. That might be enough to give you a little move, a couple of dollars, but that's how I would trade Alibaba. Be careful on the pullback, and then on a pullback to the 8 EMA, that might be a good entry point if you want to get long. I wouldn't really push it past that. But be careful. If it does weaken, if the market does weaken a lot, look for a potential pullback back to the 100 level to retest this previous swing high. Okay? So thank you very much for your time, and good luck trading.